For a special agent, you're not looking so special.
It's his bloody accessory. A fashionable belt which befits a secret agent is uncomfortable. It's either too tight too loose or too ugly.
The name's Silver. Ace Silver.
You need to help me.
Clearly.
What's that?
You've heard of the Mona Lisa? Well, forget it. This is better. It's called the Stretch Buckle Belt. This little number combines both comfort and fashion. Until now, high-end options fell short of elastic belts in terms of movement. As for elastic belts, well, I wouldn't be caught dead in one of those.
It nearly was.
Moving on to ratchet belts. Their problem is they ratchet, but they don't give. It's similar to a python being wrapped around your waist. And ratchet belts only have one button or tab, which makes it very awkward and difficult to release.
Indeed.
Fortunately, the stretch buckle belt has none of these problems.
How does it work?
Science! Now, this belt takes ratchet belt technology and ratchets it up to the next level. You get the benefit of the perfect fit that a ratchet belt provides. Then, to mimic an elastic belt, I added 2 springs covertly into the belt buckle for the perfect amount of give. This bad boy stretches and recoils as you move in different positions, automatically adjusting to your waist circumference. In layman's terms, it allows your waist to breathe so that I don't have to waste my breath.
Ah, I do love a good truffle grilled cheese.
Gouda?
Scamosa.
Gouda choice.
Is it easy to put on and take off?
Of course. I considered everything. Let's say you're in a bind and need to remove the belt quickly. Simply lift up anywhere on the buckle and voila! The strap slides right out.
Top grain leather?
Of course, this isn't Prada. I've designed a multitude of color and style options for you, easy to go with any suit disguise or otherwise. Just cut it, snap it, thread it, ratchet it, stretch it, and you're good to go. Makes saving the world a cinch.
Does it come in black?